Hi, and exciting news. You can see that I have used since $1,300 on the Bitget exchange and earned 30 ENA token just in the 3 days for free. So currently each ENA token is worth $0.9. So in the 3 days, I made a risk-free deposit income for $27.3 with just $1,300. So if you want to join in, keep watching this video. So in this video, we will explain how to make risk-free money in the crypto space with Bitget exchange new coin mining feature. So in this video, we will cover what is Bitget's new coin mining and how can beginners make money with Bitget without taking risk. How does Bitget's new coin mining work? Also, what kind of returns you can expect. First, let's look at how beginners can use Bitget's exchange to earn risk-free money in the crypto world. So we will focus on two main products from Bitget: Launchpool, new coin mining, and PearX. Let's start with the official description of these products. So Bitget's Launchpool allows users to stake their tokens to earn new or trading coins. By staking BGB or specified tokens, users can earn risk-free profits. The second product, PearX, also lets users stake tokens to earn new or trading coins, requiring just BGB or other specific token to enjoy passive risk-free incomes. Official documentation may be confusing, so let's break it down in simple terms, which is plain language. First, Launchpool only stake quality projects, like high-quality projects selected by Bitget Exchange. And second, the project tends to distribute some tokens for free to BGB holders and Bitget users to promote their projects. And the last one, users can stake stablecoins like USDT or platform tokens like BGB to share these free tokens for Launchpool. On the other hand, PearX also features selected projects, but unlike Launchpool, these are necessarily high quality. The projects can similarly distribute tokens for promotions, and users can stake stablecoins or platform token to share in these free tokens for Launchpool. And here are the detailed terms and conditions of the Launchpool project. If you are interested, you can also take a closer look. After these introductions, you should understand Bitget's exchange two risk-free mining products well. To participate, you need a Bitget exchange account for Launchpool and PearX. If you don't have a Bitget account, use the link in the video description or the code 20SAFE when signing up. Using these links or codes will give you a 20% permanent discount on transaction fees. Remember to use a VPN with nodes outside restricted areas like the US, Canada, and the UK. Taiwan and South Korea nodes are recommended as they have a levered restriction. So once registered on Bitget, the first step is to open the Bitget app and find the Launchpool. You can find it in the top navigation bars or under More Sessions. On the Launchpool page, you will see all the current and past products. Click on the current ENA project where it's detailed. You will find information about the port they are opened. So currently ENA products, they open two ports, which is BGB port and the USDE port. So BGB is the Bitget platform tokens, while USDE is a stablecoin issued by the ENA project team. So scrolling down, you will see the product details, including like each port's ROL, total stake amount, total reward port, and individual staking limits. So choose which port to join, and clicking into BGB or USDE port will show all relevant information as well as your current staking and earning. If you hold BGB, you can enter the amount you want to stake. The minimum is 50 BGB and click stake. And Bitget's Launchpool allows instant deposits and withdrawals with earning calculated hourly basis and credits to your SPO account every hour. The same process applies to USDE port staking. And one great feature of Bitget's exchange is that all mining rewards are automatically distributed to your SPO account every hour, so you don't need to remember to claim them. So for example, I stake in about 1,300 BGBs, earning reward passively. You can also stake USDE to earn similar reward as well. So after discussing Launchpool, let's look at how beginners can participate in PearX on Bitget's exchange. First, open the Bitget app and find the PearX in the top navigation bar. So if you can't find it, so click on More Session to locate PearX. So once you enter the PearX page, you will see all the available products. So currently, the XXCH product is ongoing, featuring a single BGB port. By clicking on this product, you can view all the detailed information. And here I will use another ongoing product as an example, which is Delty. So you can view detailed information such as its web papers and official website and rules, like also total rewards pool, duration, and the time remaining. Additionally, you can see the Bitcoin pool detail, including the total rewards and current amounts of Bitcoin staked. To participate, choose the pool you want to join. Since I have some idle USDT, I will join the USDT pool, which product provided. So click on USDT pool to stake your funds. The process is flexible with reward distributed hourly to your SPO account. Simply enter the USDT USDT you want to stake, minimum is 15 USDT, and convert the amount to complete the staking process. So why do I recommend beginners participate in Bitget's launch pool or Pro X activity? Both products has individual staking limits, making them friendly for retail investors, unlike other platforms where wires with larger amounts of money can dominate the rewards. Bitget's staking limits ensuring fairer distributions. For example, stablecoin pools typically have a limit of $10,000 per person, and BGB pools have a limit of 100,000 BGB, around $100,000. This means smaller investors can achieve better returns on Bitget than other platforms. After introducing Bitget's new coin mining products, some of you may wonder what BGB is. So BGB is the Bitget's exchange platform token, similar to owning a share in Bitget. Although BGB is not an actual equity share, holding it allows you to benefit from Bitget's growth. So BGB is currently ranking 66th in market capitalizations among cryptocurrencies. Holding BGB allows you to participate in activity like launch pool and Pro-X and enjoying reduced transaction fees. However, BGB's price can fluctuate, so considering the risk, I recommend use USDT to participate in mining activity for beginners as it is safer. So now let's break down the potential earning from Bitget's launch pool, which is how many money can one make from new coin mining on Bitget's launch pool. So for example, the current ENA project has 760,000 ENA token in both USDE and BGB pools, with BGB price at approximately $1.3 each and USDE maintains a 1-to-1 ratio with the dollar. We can calculate potential returns. The USDE pool has around 38.5 million USDE staked, and the BGB pools has about 68.5 million BGBs valued at $88.9 million. So using these numbers, if you stake $1,000 and 1,000 USDE, your share of the ENA rewards is calculated as follow, which is 1,000 divided by 38.5 million and times by 750,000 and equals 19.46 ENA tokens. If you stake $1,000 worth of BGB, your reward will be around 8.43 ENA tokens. Thus, staking USDT offers higher efficiency. So summarizing the benefits, if you stake 1,000 in the ENA project for 3 days, you could earn approximately 90.4 ENA tokens valued at $25 at a current price of $1.3 each. So the daily APR returns for this example is an impressive 304%. So next, let's discuss some risk. First, new coin mining projects on the Bitget are not always available. They are released periodically, which is not available on a daily basis. Second, sometimes the returns for new coin minings may not exceed those from regular USDT savings products. Third, if you stake BGB, its price volatilities could lead to losses. And also, Bitget's new coin mining essentially lose lower cost USDT saving returns to acquire newly launched tokens at lower price. So, considering exchange lower cost tokens for Bitget's newly launched products using the financial interest of USDT, and if you believe it is the worst product, whatever it is Pro-X or launch pool, you can sell it when the opportunity arises. If not, if you're considering the products to be average, like a normal profit, you can sell it immediately after making a profit. And then here is my strategy. The first one, only participate in USDT-based new coin mining due to its manageable risk. And second, after mining, reinvested USDT into Bitget saving products to keep the funds earning passive income continuously. And the last one, keep holding on to promising projects token like ENA in the bull market, anticipating further gains. For less promising tokens, considering selling them immediately. In the end, I have 3 tips and also 3 advice for beginners. First, as I said before, only join USDT-based mining for safety. And the second, investing your USDT in saving products to maximize the returns. And the last one, sell mined tokens properly to experience profit satisfaction, which will motivate you to find more earning opportunity and create a positive cycle. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to use the link below for a 20% discount on transaction fees, and leave any questions in the comment section. Enjoy your risk-free money and see you next time.